Hey community, it's Dom Kirby from Pax8 Pro Services with another Teams tip. Today I wanted to show you Microsoft Planner and a way it can be used to manage remote teams. Obviously, it might not be as easy to have the stand-ups or keep track of things on paper when everyone needs visibility into what's going on. Microsoft Planner is a light project management tool that's great for managing overall to-do lists and has integrations across the platform. Let's take a look at this plan here in this Mark8 project team. When I click on the Planner tab, you can see that there's tasks already created for this team assigned to different buckets. You can create as many buckets as you want and sort them how you wish and use them to sort out what's going on. Some teams like to use buckets based on the person's name, or there's this, which is a specific function of the project or team. It's kind of up to you. Use your imagination and see what works for the team that you're working with. In this case, I see some assignments to Megan and to Adele and to other users on the Mark8 project team. Using this list, a manager can keep track of what's going on, ask for updates, or comments can be posted right here within the tasks themselves, like so. And then someone else can comment back, and everything in the conversation is right within this task. Of course, I have all the basics of a task, such as priority, status. I can set a due date, add notes, and add a sub-checklist. Let's create a new task. Perfect. I'm going to go ahead and set a due date. We want to try to get this done by the end of the month. Maybe we'll assign it to Deborah because she's our legal counsel. So we want to make sure that everything's on the up and up. Now I can add the task and it'll show up right here in this board. Planner also integrates across the ecosystem, including into Outlook. So something that's due soon or that I set a reminder on will not only alert me in Microsoft To Do, which we'll go over in just a minute, but it'll also alert me in Outlook. Let's see how this integrates with Microsoft To Do. Here I'm using the Microsoft To Do app as Megan. You can see down here, I can enable Planner. And if we give it just a moment, it'll pull things from Planner that are assigned to me. This is a great way for an individual to come in and look at their tasks, sort them out, and knock them out one by one. If we check things off in this To Do app, it's also going to check them off in Microsoft Planner. This is a great way to manage things and see a one single pane of glass for the tasks you have going on. As you can see, the specific team relevant to that task is listed there. So if I'm a member of multiple teams and have multiple tasks, I see them all in one area. If I'm managing a team doing these tasks, I can use this board and see everything that's going on. Let's go ahead and check project team formed and completed. Hopefully this happens quickly, but you know how the demo gods work. Let's go ahead and refresh this tab. Perfect. You can see that it's now down here and completed. So as a manager, I could come in and see that Megan completed that task. I can also come in and see if she left any comments on this task. I can download the Microsoft To Do app on my phone and also manage my tasks on the go. On another note, Microsoft To Do doesn't just pull tasks from Planner. For example, Megan has some flagged emails in her inbox that she needs to look at. She can click here and open an Outlook. Note this is going to open the email in OA, but it pulls her right to the exact email that was flagged. If I check it off in To Do and give it a moment to sync, it should check off the flag in Outlook as well. There we go, completed on 4/5/2020. Again, To Do is just a great dashboard to keep track of everything you've got going on. I hope this helps, and I'll do a more in-depth video on To Do itself in the near future.